Changing your Instagram profile picture seems like it would take 10 seconds, but somehow it always feels trickier than it should be, right? You're not alone. Let's break this process down step by step and get it done. First, open your Instagram app. This might sound like a duh moment, but you'd be surprised how many people jump straight to a Google search instead. Always try the app first. It's where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, tap the little person icon in the bottom right corner. That's your profile page. You're the star here, so this is where you'll manage everything all about you, including your profile picture. On your profile page, tap on your current profile picture or where your profile picture should be if you've never set one. You should see a pop-up menu. If you don't, check that your Instagram app is updated. Outdated apps cause 50% of user frustration. From the menu, select Edit Profile. Don't worry, you're not rebuilding your entire persona here. You're just diving into the settings. This is Instagram's equivalent of opening the kitchen drawer to find that one thing you need. On the Edit Profile page, you'll see an option that says Change Profile Photo. Tap that. This is your golden ticket to swapping that old selfie for something fresh. Brush off the pressure. This isn't life or death. Now, here's where you choose your source. You can select a photo from your phone's gallery, take a new one, or even use your Facebook profile picture. Most people panic here, scrolling through 400 vacation photos. Pro tip, prep your chosen pic before starting this process. If you're choosing a photo from your gallery, tap on it. Instagram will open an editor that lets you crop and zoom. Don't overthink it. Keep your face centered and make sure there's good lighting. Yes, quality matters. It's 2023, not 2003. Once your photo looks good in the editor, hit Done. That's it, your new picture will update instantly. If it doesn't, refresh your profile by swiping down. Sometimes Instagram has a lag. It's not you, it's them. A quick heads up, the update might not show up immediately on everyone else's feed. Instagram's system can take a little while to display the change. Don't refresh endlessly. It'll pop up soon. Go get some coffee instead. If, for some reason this didn't work, double-check your app permissions. Instagram needs access to your gallery or camera to upload photos. Go into your phone's settings and make sure permissions are enabled. Over 70% of issues come from denied permissions. And yeah, social media fatigue is real. If swapping profile pictures sounds like just another task, you could always keep things minimal. No pic is better than an outdated one from 6 years ago. But honestly, a fresh photo represents where you're at in life. So, update your profile picture, toss in something fun, and let people know you're active. It's a 5-minute task, tops, unless you spend 2 hours debating between poses. That's on you, my friend.